This is video 2 on how to add a table to a Microsoft Word document. Here I started a worksheet labeled Spelling Homework as my heading, and there I went ahead and took care of the margins and the page orientation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a table, and I'm going to make 4 columns across, and I'm going to start with 5 rows. So, for example, this is a spelling assignment. So I'm gonna each heading's gonna have the word. This is gonna be an activity where they're gonna trace the spelling word. They're gonna print the spelling word, and this is rainbow word, which means students would take a different color crayons to practice writing the spelling words. Now, let's say you realize that you need another row. So what you could do is you can insert a row below, above. Let's say you need another column. Okay, so you'd click on it and it automatically give you another row. Let's say you didn't want that. You could delete entire row, entire table. So those are some of the tools that you have above under layout. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just make up some words that students might have for an assignment or spelling words. And I'm going to copy this, or you can retype it, and paste it in this column because I have a special font. Go back to home. I have a special font that you can get online that allows students to copy the word or trace the word. And I know a lot of kindergarten, first grade teachers use this for assignments in their class since a lot of students don't know how to spell their name yet. So I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to make the font bigger using this to increase the size. And in this column, the students would actually write the word with their handwriting, and again, rainbow word. Now, to make things stand out, I might want to highlight the headings and go to layout. If you see, sorry, design, shading, you can click on it and shade it, and it automatically reverts the word to white. I want to center the words, go to home, align center. Now here's another cool trick if you're making some fancy tables. Under layout, you can change the text direction. So let's say I wanted to make these words fit in a certain way, so I could change it and it can go sideways, vice versa. That way you can make it your own. Now if you notice, the sizes of the table increases if you change up the font. So the new version makes the sizes almost the same, but if you realize that all your um, rows are not the same size, you could fix it still. What you want to do is you're going to highlight the rows, and under design, layout, you can distribute the rows, this icon here, and it makes it all centered so it's all the same size. Okay, so that's just some different design tools that you could use to make your table more interesting or fit the needs of your students better. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.